like in the first video, like I showed you, like even this
Setting,
was one of
working.
oh, this was other one of the other videos, right? So the first thing is like, okay, you see these movements, they seem like they're simple. I mean, some people say like, okay, they're a little bit difficult, but what you find is that these movements right now that I'm showing you here, okay, maybe this one might be a little bit harder for someone a bit older, but things like this, like doing a forward fold, people might think that, oh, this is a bit hard. And it's it's not it's not that it's not working or it's hard, you shouldn't be able to do it, because stretching isn't about working in the moment and instantly, right? So some people say, okay, stretching doesn't work, or it's, maybe too hard, I can't get into this position. But it's not about having the stretches work immediately in that moment when you're stretching. It's really about repeating the movements, and it becomes cumulative over time, because when you repeat something, there's a principle when it comes to like your body and training, which is the principle of adaptability. Because the moment you start stretching, your body doesn't just immediately allow you to stretch for like, like do splits. Your body doesn't just automatically just do splits just because you stretched, or it doesn't mean that that pain that you feel automatically disappears right away. But it means that your body needs to adapt, and also adapt to that position that you're introducing to it. So the results happen over time. And some of the things that people don't realize, that the results are happening in small increments, because because in that moment you're actually rewiring your brain. You're rewiring your nervous system, how your brain, how your muscles, how your nerves relate to that position. Because a lot of times, if you've seen, like if you're starting out or you're trying to get into a stretch position for the first time, it might feel a bit difficult, and your brain might tighten up certain muscles, because it's like, okay, I can't let go, because it's like, okay, we'll just rip something if we keep stretching. And it's not about forcing that stretch, but it's about doing it over and over and over. Because the idea that stretching doesn't work is false, because those results come over time. Because after some time, you relieve so much pain, you become more flexible, your recovery is faster. So you want to make sure that you are being consistent and actually pushing through. And then the other thing that people tend to believe is that you need to stretch for a long period of time, because sometimes people will stretch for like, will think that they need to stretch for like an entire hour, or they need to spend 30 minutes just stretching, or 45 minutes, or however long that they think that a workout should take. But the beauty about stretching is that it's not about intensity, it's not about duration, but it's about consistency. Even if you do 5-10 minutes of stretching, because personally, like if you see most of the videos that I have, they're about stretching for 5 minutes. A 5 minute stretch is very quick. If you're busy, 5 minutes, you can do that in the morning, and you just repeat that. And you need to tie it back to a system where you're not overthinking it, and you're not thinking, oh, okay, so what should I do today? Right. So you want to make sure that you're being consistent, because with the stretches, you also want to have a routine that is repeatable. You don't want it to be like some complex routine. You don't want it to be too hard for you to like think, oh, okay, I got to do this stretch. I got to warm up some muscles first, because you're not trying to do gymnastics. That's the thing about this. You don't want to do gymnastics. You want to actually stretch, and you want to have a routine that is repeatable. And so that's building it into a system, into a plan, something that you can do 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You don't have to do like exaggerated positions. Like some yoga people do exaggerated positions where they're trying to, do complicated things. You do not need that. It's just about making sure that the routines are simple and repeatable. And that is the essence for stretching. That is what you need. So you just need to tie it into a system where you're consistent and you're not doing random stretches that are complex and your effort is not like, sporadic in different places. So that is definitely one of the other things. And the third thing that you want to realize about stretching is that sometimes I think it's not just stretching, but it's about working out, anything physical, or forming a new habit. Let me put it that way. It's about forming a new habit. And in this case, we're talking about stretching. So, one of the things that people think is that they need motivation to push them through every single day, to think about, okay, I need to feel motivated today for me to do this stretch. And the reality and the truth about the matter is that you do not need to have motivation because motivation is fleeting. You might feel motivated one day, and the next day, you're not motivated. So, what you actually need to do is to actually create a rhythm and a system, a pattern that you can repeat every single day. So, the idea behind it is that you do not actually have to try new stretches every single day. You just need a system that works. Stretches that you can repeat over and over and over again. Even if you pick one position, because remember again, like what I said, like people think that stretching doesn't work because sometimes people try to do different random things and different stretch routines. But what actually matters is that you repeat the same movements, the same patterns. Because when you repeat those same patterns and the same movements, that's how you improve. That's how you see your results over time. And that pain that you're feeling, it starts to fade away. That discomfort starts to go away. And your energy starts to go up. You feel more energetic. Your recovery is faster. So that is what you want to do. That's how you start seeing results. When you start stretching consistently and repeating the same patterns, the same movements, because that's how you actually improve.